So this is my emergency / miscellaneous stuff I want to bring on board. I have a couple phone cases that I can switch out. These are washer sheets with dryer. You just throw it in the washer and you throw it in with the dryer, and it does both. Of course, a Tide to Go stick, extra batteries, and you'll see why. Some heavy duty magnets. This is a great plug because it has the USB in there. Safety pins, wine corks. This is a stirrer for drinks. I know it looks like something else is for drinks. A corkscrew, bottle opener. Sometimes if you order beer to the room, they don't have twist offs, so this comes in real handy. Earplugs in case you're noisy or your cabin mate's noisy. These are called wrist wallets. You can purchase these online. They have a little spot here where you can put your money in your cruise ID, and it goes on your wrist. Sometimes we'll flip these inside out if we're going snorkeling just to make sure things don't fall out. These you get at your local bar. Great for the cabin when the cups start sweating, stuff like that. Mini eyeglass kit. This is a little wrist thing that sometimes I like to wear and put my card on there if I'm going to go swimming. This is a straw, aluminum straw, collapsible straw. Of course, you got a highlighter, marker, pen and paper, extra toothbrushes. You know, we take toothbrushes, but sometimes you need an extra one. Shower cap. This is an empty pill bottle, and what I use this for is I put my jewelry, rings and stuff in this when I put them in the safe, the things I wear every day. So like if I'm going off the ship, I'll put my rings and stuff in here. I also put one of these in my backpack when I go off, just in case I forget to take my rings off. This here, of course, is a little mini tool. It has all kinds of little things you can do with this for an emergency. Toothpicks, I know it's funny, but we like our toothpicks. This is a little light that I put on the cabin in the bathroom on the countertop, and at nighttime we know it's there. We just kind of open the bathroom door, reach in, hit the light, we go do our business, hit the light and leave. I hope this helps.